So if you are a basic rate taxpayer, you get £1,000 worth, or you can get £1,000 worth of interest.
Tax free.
Yeah, and that is above. So if you're somebody who gets that kind of starting rate, that £1,000 is above the starting rate. So you'd actually get £6,000 above your personal allowance if needs be. But yeah, so you get your for a basic rate taxpayer, you'd get £1,000. For a higher rate taxpayer, you can have £500 worth of interest before you start needing to pay tax. And for an additional rate taxpayer, tough luck, you got to pay tax immediately on that. So in terms of reporting it from HMRC's perspective, they only want you to need to report a tax return or report it via a tax return if your savings income is in excess of £10,000.
So how else would you report it?
I'm guessing you have to contact them separately and tell, to an extent, if it's, for example, if it's a UK bank account, obviously UK banks will report to HMRC directly, so they'll have an idea as to how much income you are getting. But yeah, I think
It feels like another one, doesn't it, where they're desperately trying to get people out of the tax return system whilst not having another viable solution for people to easily report things.
Well, exactly, because what you're supposed to do, kind of give them a call. I think maybe you can do it online nowadays, where you can tell them that you'd like adjustments making. But again, that's very much as an individual. And when you have sort of the older generation who maybe aren't so IT savvy, certainly as agents, we can't make that update without picking up the phone to HMRC or contacting an agent line.